Hey guys, you can try this next question from CAT 2018, the first lot. Please pause the video and give it a try and resume for the solution. Alright, while multiplying three real numbers, Ashok took one number as 73 instead of 37. As the result, the product went up by 720. Then the minimum possible value of sum of the squares of the other two numbers is. So guys, there are three real numbers. Real numbers means they can be positive, negative, rational, irrational, any of them, right? Ashok took one of the numbers as 73 instead of 37. That means he was supposed to take 37, but he took 73. So out of these three real numbers, one number is 37. Let the other two numbers be x and y, right? So 37, x and y, these were the three numbers he was supposed to multiply, and the product would have been 37xy. But the mistake he's making is he's taking 37 as 73. So the other two numbers are x and y. The product he's calculating is 73xy. And as a result, the product went up by 720. So 73xy minus 37xy will be equal to 720. This gives me 36 into xy is 720. Dividing both sides by 36, x into y is 20. They're asking me the minimum possible value of sum of the squares of the other two numbers. Other two numbers, I have assumed them as x and y. Here afterwards, I have two ways to approach the given question. The sum of the squares of x and y will be x square plus y square. The question demands the minimum value of x square plus y square. Now guys, notice that I don't know anything about x and y. They're only mentioned as real numbers. So they can be positive, negative, rational, irrational, anything. But if I talk about x square will definitely be a positive real number, right? Because perfect squares are always non-negative. And since Raj is multiplying, and since Ashok is multiplying and getting something non-zero, x is also non-zero number. So x square is positive for sure. And same for y square. X square and y square are both positive, right? For two positive numbers, x square and y square, the arithmetic mean or AM, arithmetic mean, x square plus y square upon 2 is the arithmetic mean of x square and y square. The AM will be greater than or equal to the geometric mean, that is GM. For two numbers, geometric mean is square root of their product. The product of x square and y square. We take the square root, we get geometric mean. Now next step, I already know the value of x into y. So from here I can get x square y square. X square y square is 20 ka square 400, and that I'll substitute here. So I will get x square plus y square divided by 2 will be greater than equal to root of 400. Okay, root of 400 is actually 20. Multiply by 2 on both sides, you get x square plus y square is greater than equal to 2 into 20, and that is 40. That's the answer to my question. The minimum value of sum of the squares of the other two numbers is nothing but 40. So that's one way of getting the answer, guys. There is one more way out based on common sense or some observation here. Pay attention that if I give you x into y as 25, and ask you to observe the sum of x plus y. Guys, you will note that when I put x as 1 and y is 25, the sum of x and y is 1 plus 25, that is 26. Same way, if I take x as 5 and y as 5, now 5 plus 5, the value of x plus y is 10. You can take many other values to do this, to verify this, basically. But just one thing, whenever the product of two numbers is constant, their sum is minimum when they are equal to each other. Right? So product being constant, if I have to minimize the sum, I have to keep the numbers equal or as close as possible. So given that x square y square is 400, if I ask you what is the minimum value of x square plus y square, that will happen when these two numbers will both be equal, and that will be 20 each. So minimum value of x square plus y square is 20 plus 20, which is equal to 40. And that's the answer to your question, 40.